Welcome everyone. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make Brave your default browser in Windows 11. If you want to enjoy faster browsing and improved privacy, setting Brave as your default browser is essential. First, right-click on the Start icon located on your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, from the left sidebar, click on Apps. After that, click on Default Apps to see a list of programs you can set as default for different tasks. Next, scroll down the list or use the search bar to find Brave. Once you locate it, click on Brave to open its settings page. Then, at the top of the page, tap on Set Default. This will ensure that all web links and online content open automatically in Brave from now on. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching.